Canva is a popular graphic design platform that has gained immense popularity over the years due to its user-friendly interface and impressive range of features. One of the reasons why Canva is considered the best AI tool is its intelligent and intuitive design system. With Canva, you can create stunning designs using artificial intelligence (AI) technology. The tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your design preferences and suggest the best possible design options for your project. Canva's AI-powered design system helps to reduce the time it takes to create a design from scratch, making it easier for users to create professional-looking designs with minimal effort. One of the standout features of Canva is its ability to generate designs based on a user's input. For example, if you input a few design parameters such as the size of your design, the color scheme, and the type of design you want to create, Canva's AI will generate several design options that fit your criteria. This feature makes Canva an ideal tool for both novice and expert designers who are looking for a quick and easy way to create stunning designs. Another way that Canva uses AI is through its image recognition technology. Canva's image recognition technology makes it easy for users to search for and find images based on keywords. The tool's machine learning algorithms analyze the images and suggest the best possible options that match the user's search criteria. This feature is particularly useful for users who need to find high-quality images quickly.